Buhay and my Mabuhayers. Welcome to my another edition of my Ka Mabuhay and Ka Mabuhayers Mabuhay channel. I'm your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. For today, welcome to my channel. I would like to feature now Vallis Beach Resort here in Toril, Davao City. And this is the main resort. Although there are other branches of Vallis Resort, but what I am featuring now is the main, or this is really the original Vallis Beach Resort. Okay, let's get inside. Let's feature this amazing beach on a day of Friday. I have chosen Friday, and as much as I know it's not jam-packed with guests or visitors here. Tomorrow they're having so many bookings according to the management, including baptism of different religion will be held tomorrow, Saturday. Today is Friday. So we have the parking area entrance going to the beach, the main valleys. Let's go. Let's try to interview the management, the owner, the staff. They are around. Have a view of this amazing, terrific, the original, legendary Vallis Beach Resort. Why? 10 years ago, 15 years ago, when I was still on the teaching service as a teacher, we used to have our field trip, and one of the itinerary is no other than Vallis Beach Resort. So after more than 10 years, 15 years, I did have my comeback now. I will bring you the clear, amazing beach of Vallis. Here we go. So this is my touchdown. Have a glimpse of 12 o'clock, past 12 o'clock, the beach. Let's not go over there, that one wherein there is a red flag. It's already prohibited, restricted area. Wide beach. Coastline there. Okay, and for their cottages, there they are. I love walking on this part, the sun, they're in really good cooling effect to our feet. Let's get inside and have our interview with the management. With me now is Angie. G, wave to the camera. Okay, Angie is with me. Thank you for joining me. G, face the camera. Abuhay!
Abuhay!
Yeah. So let's get inside the management. They have the canteen. They have also Wi-Fi for that. Wide space of area. Mabuhay channel, ma'am. Can I interview, sir? Just featuring. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So I will get it. So you're the owner, ma'am. So what are the facilities and other services?
Thank you for visiting Valles.
Mabuhay channel, ma'am.
Yeah. New management kami. So we just started August.
August
year.
2024.
Oo. So 3 months pa lang kami. August, mag 4 months.
Wow.
So yung pinaka first na ginawa namin, nilinis talaga namin siya all throughout. So we have 31 cottages. That's 750 daytime, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pag mag-overnight po kayo, it's 1,900 because may mga lifeguards. Okay. And we have function hall. We have 12 rooms, hotel, air conditioned. Then at doon sa dulo, meron kaming mga big cottages na para sa mga 50 persons. So different yung price niya. And meron din kaming tatlo pang mga kubo. So, all in all, we have almost 46 cottages.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing. I've been here more than 10 years ago during our field trip. But that's the old valleys.
Old valleys.
Yeah,
So,
this,
up to now, we're still renovating. So, para mas ma-enjoy ng mga guests. We have CCTVs na all throughout.
the cutting
All
chairs.
throughout the resort. And then, nag-close na din kami doon sa dulo. And pag wala ng cottages, we have one set tables and chairs. You can enjoy there doon sa dulo.
No.
Na may buhangin doon, walang
Wow.
cottage. Yeah. You can go
No charge,
there.
ma'am? No charge, additional charge?
No, only tables and chairs.
Okay, so we'll be going there afterwards.
Yeah.
So that's
there.
it.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
and
name
enjoy.
ma'am. Mabuhay channel ito.
Ha?
Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay channel.
I will posting tonight or
Oh.
if I'll have my...
Thank you, Mabuhay Channel, and thank you for choosing Valles.
Yeah, name, ma'am,
Enjoy.
name.
Faith. My name
Faith.
is Faith Ortega.
Ortega. Wow, what a beautiful
I'm
name.
sales and marketing here.
Oh, Valis. You look so pretty. You are looking beauty queen. Sorry
Grabe
for
naman.
disturbing
Yeah,
your...
It's okay. Enjoy po. Doon sa bandang dulo.
Sige ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. So that's Ma'am Ortega of Valis, main Valis Beach Resort. So let's explore some more their areas over there. Wow. They have their CR. Of course, that one, the canteen. CR, toilet, and shower room. So many cottages. Wow. Really nice place. Today is Friday. And I really enjoyed our touchdown in as much as it's really a terrific, awesome place. Cozy for your friends, your family, and all alone. You can go here for your me time. So there are a few guests as of this moment. I guess don't know afterwards that they have some more booking that will be coming. So it's a wide Valleys Beach Resort. Let's go around. Ma'am, mabuhay! It's okay to interview, ma'am? Oh, sorry for disturbing. Okay, channel. Why have you chosen Valleys Beach Resort? What's here? For today's family, ma'am, family? Okay, why have you chosen? Ba't ito pinili mo, ma'am?
Malinis.
Malinis, yeah. So wide, no? Malaki.
Magala,
Yeah. But
Tsaka, hindi mahal.
hindi mahal, affordable.
Yes
Yes.
po. Tsaka safety po,
May
may mga,
mga CCTV.
at saka ano po, mga lifeguard.
Yeah, the lifeguard there.
Tsaka may
Okay.
ano talaga, corridor ba?
Corridor. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for this interview. Your name?
Love Panoy po. Love Panoy po.
Kanoy.
Panoy.
Panoy. Please subscribe, mama, YouTube Mabuhay channel.
Okay.
Later, when I will have my Wi-Fi connection already, I will post this one. Erlinda Rindon.
Okay po.
Mabuhay channel.
Sa'yo po to?
The read. No. I'm just retired teacher, master teacher 1. This is now my latest chosen life vlog. I have already my 6 followers. So.
Okay.
So, si Mama Erlinda Rindon, Mabuhay channel. And again, ma'am, your account sa Facebook.
Lovely Emmanuel po.
Lovely Emmanuel. I will be looking for you. What color is your profile?
Baby ko po sa
Sige. Me, during my retirement program, the gown red.
Okay.
Nice meeting, ma'am. So, thank you for this short interview. So, that's it. According to ma'am, it's really the choosing Valleys for the white space. Ma'am, mabuhay. You are the lifeguard? Oh, you are also guest, the owner? Yeah, just here. Can I interview, ma'am? No, okay. So, that's it. Let's explore. Really, so many cottages. So wide area. Wow. Really, so wonderful place. Look at the coastline, so wide areas. And the beach, so clear. Let's have the view. It's capture. Wow, so clear. I love it. Later, we'll have our swimming after our vlogging. Look at the water. Wow, the waves. I love it. Okay, so amazing. Really, up to that part. It's looking like Boracay, white sand. Okay, this is it. Sir, you are the lifeguard?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? Can I interview? I do not know how to swim. Later on, I will be swimming, sir. Huh? A name, sir? Mabuhay Channel, lifeguard. Hi. Mahihain si sir. Oh, si. Hi, you're the owner, sir?
Yeah, no, the owner. The daughter.
The daughter. Oh, live dito, sir. Invite them
We met them.
to go now to Balis.
Balis. Beach resort.
Yeah, come now
Come now.
and enjoy.
Enjoy swimming.
Yeah, here, Balis Beach Resort.
Beach resort.
Name, sir?
Samuel Aurelia.
Samuel Aurelia Balis. Aurelia lang.
Aurelia.
Samuel. Oh, yeah. Kay Mabuhay Channel. Subscribe, sir, ha? Later. I'll be posting this in a while.
The daughter is the new management.
Yeah, I already talked to Ma'am, Ma'am Faith.
Our daughter.
Oh, your daughter, so beautiful.
Daughter.
Like, because the father is also handsome. Yeah, I already have an interview. So formerly, you are the one managing and you turn it over to your daughter.
The daughter.
The daughter, I've been here more than 10 years ago during our field trip. But I like more today. Yeah. So thank you, sir, ha?
Thank you. Welcome.
For your this interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll be going there. So up to that point, that is still yours. Sir. Okay, so thank you so much. So tomorrow there are many bookings. Yeah, Saturday and Sunday most of the time, no? Today is Friday, so they are still working. Students are in school. So I will picture. What are those? Cottages? Okay. So, thank you, sir, ha? I will just picture. Really? Wow, so wide beach area. I've been walking for many minutes already. So, there are cottages. Let's have a look. Auburn State. And I've also your picture perfect here, picture spot, function room, aircon, and the aircon accommodating area. Okay, capturing this accommodation room. Wow. So as what Ma'am Faith have told us, they're still on few months cover of this valleys, but it's already clean, presentable for everyone. Okay, this one. And they have tables also. So nice one. You can have your conversation with your friends, your family, or if you are all alone. Okay. Facilities. You have this one, the boat. Or I mean, bangka. This bangka. Okay, my favorite perfect spot, the bangka. So nice. So this is it, my picture, my captured episodes of the new management, main valleys. You call this one main. In as much as there are many other nearby beach, which they also name Valleys Beach Resort. But when you are having your ride, your car, just ask the people nearby that you're going to the main, not to the nearby Valleys Beach Resort. So this is the picture of their sun area. Really, it's amazing place to rewind with our families. So come now, come on and refresh, rejuvenate, revitalize here in Valleys Beach Resort. Go here on Monday up to Friday. I will advise, but in Saturday, Sunday can also go, but it's jam-packed with busy guests. So for this time, this is my edition, A Day in the Life of the Retired Teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow for more vlogs that I will be featuring soon. So I'm your vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive, Main Valleys Beach Resort in Toril, Davao City. Mabuhay ka, mabuhayers! Mabuhay ka, mabuhay. Don't forget to like, comment, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, and my Facebook account. Until my next vlog, mabuhay! Thank you everyone, viewers, Facebook friends, everyone on Facebook and viewers. Mabuhay! Long life, good person, good life, good person. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Mabuhay and good morning in the afternoon. Until my next vlog, signing off. Mabuhay!